Are you looking for a reliable, experienced supplier of custom suspension kits to help you effectively manage the handling and weight of your customised armoured vehicle? There is one unique suspension modification company who design and manufacture a wide range of suspension systems. They specialise in heavy armoured and defence-specified vehicles. The Ultimate Suspension, based in Sydney, Australia.
In the last decade, we've been heavily involved with international projects in armoured vehicles, for vehicles being supplied right around the world for peacekeeping and defence applications. And all of these companies have actually come to us for our expertise.
We have the experience and we also have the expertise to be able to visit the site, check out the application, the working requirements, and design a specific suspension system to give the customer the end result.
One of the main differences between the Ultimate Suspension and some of our competitors is we can offer a boutique customised service. This means we can individually build components on small production scales to suit your requirements at a cost-effective price and within a decent lead time.
We have a great reputation of being able to provide a suspension package tailored, designed for the application within 3 months. And this apparently is quite unheard of out there in the industry.
With over 30 years in the suspension industry, we were able to design, manufacture and produce a product which performs very well in a whole range of conditions, regardless of the vehicle type or weight.
The same as we design specific applications for recreational vehicles, it's exactly the same when you come to armour vehicles. Where there's a variance in the load carrying or the driving conditions, road surfaces, you have to be able to cater for those variances. A good example is the particular vehicle we have in here today. It's a Toyota Land Cruiser Trayback. It has a gun turret mounted on the top. Now also there is a secondary requirement where it has a fully armoured protection box on the back with seats and also to carry the ammunition. Now the spring variances and the requirements, the variances there are great. For this particular application we've included an airbag on top of the spring for when it's carrying its maximum load and driving in high-speed conditions.
Developing a suspension kit to suit an armoured vehicle has a few unique phases, but it's something that we work through on a regular basis.
So first you've got to have a starting point. So we make ourselves familiar with the vehicle, with the make, model and the vehicle's heights. Now that comes right down to weighing each corner of the vehicle, taking the static height, the measuring of the height of the coil in the vehicle in standard form. Then we put a load of the weight of the vehicle on the spring to bring it down to the height with the equipment fitted. Then we design our suspension to suit that.
And so when you deal with the Ultimate Suspension, you're dealing direct with the designers and manufacturers of the suspension kits. This means it's not just a sales rep, it is a person that has been right behind the development of these products for the vehicle. So you can always be assured you're getting the right advice and you'll get the right backup service.
We're in a very favourable position where our reputation goes before us. And from the experiences and results from dealing with local mining companies and the local defence department here in Australia, word gets out. And our overseas military and defence inquiries have come through from people's recommendations and testimonials. We've just gained another contract with a couple of the large armoured vehicle manufacturers, and it was quite pleasing to find that our suspensions were compared with some of the bigger names in Europe. And even though the Australian dollar's up a bit high at the moment, we won on all points, on performance, design and also pricing. Now to get a 3-year and a 5-year contract for an Australian company against some of these larger, well-known European companies is a great feat for Australia.
Contact the Ultimate Suspension today.